Hi, what's happening? This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. And today, Miles doesn't seem to be interested in being part of the show. He's been kind of not interested in doing as much shows lately, so that's cool. It's up to him. But he sends his regards and his thanks for being fans of him. Today we've got one from Prima Taste. This is their new recipe, tasty new recipe, they're saying, chili crab variety. And I thought it would be a fun one to do today, and I cooked some up. And here it is. I used surimi, black sesame seed, and some coriander. Ready, set, go. Oh, now you're coming over. How you doing? How are you doing?
Yeah.
How you doing, bud? Are you having a good day? Not talkative, huh? You're bored? Do you want a ham sandwich? That'd be fun. Come on. Yay, Miles is joining the show. You have a car. Pretty cool. We have new lighting. Alexa, turn off stage left.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off stage right.
Okay.
Alexa, good morning. Alexa, good night.
May your dreams be free of negativity, and may you wake up on time for maximum productivity.
Alexa, stage on.
Okay.
I love this crap. This is so much fun. Alexa, fart. There you go. And I'm going to tell you right now, I love this stuff. This is really good. It makes me want to go, oh, can I have like an old recipe one? I probably could pick one up over at Mian Ranch right now. And this has a really good amount of oomph to it. It is not low on flavor, that's for sure. And it's got a good amount of pepperiness to it. And it's good. It's not too much, and it doesn't have a bitter afterburn. Lost my boy temporarily, but when he returns, if he does, he will join us on camera as well. So yeah, I'm really into the whole artificial intelligence thing. It's fun. You can do you can program different things for it to say back to you. It's like, Alexa, shut up.
You shut up both days.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Now my daughter's mad. She's waking up from her nap. I read an article today about how having that thing and other ones like Siri and other stuff like that have a female voice is furthering the concept of women in roles of servitude. It's not a human lady, and I'm sure they did a lot of focus groups, a lot of different voices, and this one probably won out. I mean, come on, her voice is pleasant. What's wrong with that? Maybe we could get it to have a robotic machine voice, but then maybe somebody would get offended that artificial intelligence was being poo-pooed on or something. I don't know. People complain just too damn much. Speaking of complaining, I better wrap this up. Mimi is very unhappy. I better know what's going on. She has a baby doll that has like a little hoodie, and if it comes off, she loses her mind. But you know, it matters to her. She wants that baby to have that hoodie on. Alright, well. Done. All done? Delicious. Yeah, all done. Well, that was good. Well, this has been Hans, and this has been... Alright, this has been Hans, and this has been... Aw, please. Alright, this has been Hans, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.